Hi there. In this short video, because it will be short, I'm going to present you the attendance and penalty points balance. This is a tab ready to print for you in case you want to present your employees the balance of the working days of the work days and the penalty points remaining and used. You have the option to go here and just print it and present it to your employee. How this is working? Basically, you have to select the year, the reference year, and the employee name. For example, William Brown, which is inactive. I forgot we fired William Brown. Let's choose Jessica Smith, for example. So we have selected the year, which is the system setup is for fiscal year. So from June 1st to May 21, 2026, and the employee Jessica Smith. And we just push this button, view balance slip. And this balance slip, it will always be updated and dynamically created. All the information, it will be automatically presented for you based on any selection you are doing here. So year employee, and that will be all because you have already set up the system for the fiscal year. So if we're going to the balance slip, we see a piece of information here. Fiscal system setup is fiscal year, and we have the start date as June 1st 2025 and end date May 31 2026, which is representing the fiscal year we have set up here in the settings tab. Okay, and further we have the employee details like name, position, year, which is the fiscal year, balance today, because we know that when we printed this balance, it was July 27, and the employee will know that this is the situation, his balance on July 27. We have the total number of work days, 117, and from these days Jessica Smith has worked 161 days with no penalties and 9 with penalties, and 0 full days off with penalties. Remember, we have set up this here in the penalty reasons. We have set up as a full day off the incomplete work, but in a real situation, no call, no show, it will be a full day off. It will be considered a full day off. Okay. Further below, we have the attendance and penalty point detail. Basically, we have this calendar year, which is completely dynamic based on the system setup, starting from June 2026 and ending 2025 and ending in May 2026, because this is the calendar year we have selected to work with. Let me go back and let's presume I want to see the fiscal year for 2024, and when I'm going to the fiscal year, I see that it is about June 2024 and May 2025, and everything is basically updated by its own for this specific time period. We have the total points used for any specific penalty reason. We have the total point used for any specific penalty reason for any and for every month, and we have all the points used and all the points remaining at this current date. Further, you will just have, after you selected the year and the employee, you want to preview the balance, you just have to go to File, Print, and set up your system to print everything as you see here. That's mostly depending on your printer settings, and you'll have to set up your printer to print this entire sheet. But as you see here, everything is looking fine, and basically I just know I have to push the print button, and I will have this printed out. That's all for this video. I hope it is useful. If you have any questions, please just let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.